Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print a web page or a full page screenshot in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select where it says web capture. Alternatively, you can select the Control, Shift, and S key combination to open that as well. So at this point, you go ahead and actually capture a specific area, like a screen snipping. You can also select the Capture Full Page, and you can also select the Web Select. So if you select the Web Select, for example, you can select certain elements that you want to copy off of that page, which is a cool feature to include. So let's just do a standard web capture here. Let's just capture the full web page. And then if we saved it to our desktop or our downloads folder and we opened it up, that's all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process, guys. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.